Hey everyone, today we're talking about an increasingly important tool in 2024, which is a VPN or virtual private network. So you've probably heard about them, but why should you actually use one? Because believe it or not, it's very easy for anyone to see what you're doing online. Think about it. The internet follows us everywhere, regardless of where we are. And by connecting to random Wi-Fi networks, it just allows for us to be extra vulnerable to things like data harvesting or ISP surveillance. That's where VPNs come in. Okay, imagine you're sitting at your favorite cafe, enjoying your coffee and catching up on some work using their Wi-Fi. Like straight up, public Wi-Fi networks are a goldmine for hackers because they can easily intercept your data if it's not encrypted. So that's why having a good quality VPN that properly encrypts your connection and hides your IP address is important, because no one wants to have someone see what they're doing online or find out passwords or other personal info. Because your browsing history, it's valuable data. Like your ISP can legally track and then sell it to advertisers. But like I said, VPNs hide your IP address, making it harder for your ISP, like your internet service provider, or other sneaky people to monitor your online activities. So having a VPN means fewer creepy targeted ads and more control over the trail you leave behind, digitally speaking. For those of you who work remotely, VPNs are pretty much necessary. So if you're thinking about getting one, I would suggest one of the big three, like Express, Nord, or Surfshark. I have Express because it's the most straightforward and fastest to connect. Like, if I'm going to be using public Wi-Fi all the time with my remote work, I just want it to start up as if it's just part of the computer. So Express is my fit. Feel free to read about it for yourself, though, in the link in the description. Anyway, the quicker I can get going with my work will help me stay focused, and a VPN will actually also prevent throttling as well, like especially with the public Wi-Fi. The ISP can't slow down your internet speed if you're there to stream or have a Zoom meeting or whatever, because a VPN hides your IP address. So a good VPN is great for security and speed, and it's also good for bypassing location restrictions that block content. Like, for example, news outlets based in Canada are forbidden from posting on social media, so you literally have to connect to a server in a different country to access local Canadian news content. Or on the other hand, if you want to check out content that's only available in Brazil or something, having a passport to the internet. So Express's passport, quote unquote, lists 105 different countries, quote unquote, they can travel to. So, I mean, I say it's 2024, go traveling. So why should you use a VPN? I mean, whether you're prioritizing security, or you don't want your news censored, or you want to avoid crappy streaming, or maybe simply just want online freedom, a VPN offers you a way around that. So ultimately, it's about taking control of your online experience and protecting yourself. That's all for today. I hope you learned something new. Feel free to give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below if you use a VPN and what else you think they're good for. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.